Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share to you all about crypto or Bitcoin. And before that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Binance US will delist AMP following SEC claim token is a security. The exchange says all AMP trading will be halted on August 15, adding that it may resume at some point in the future. United States-based crypto exchange Binance US said it will be delisting the AMP token out of an abundance of caution of possible enforcement by federal regulators. In a Monday blog post, Binance US said it will be closing deposit of AMP, and removing the AMP USD trading pair on August 15 following the tokens mentioned in an illegal action from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commissions, or SEC. The federal regulator filed a complaint against a former Coinbase product manager and two individuals in July that claimed that AMP and 8 other cryptocurrencies were crypto asset securities that fell under the SEC's purview. We believe that, in some circumstances, delisting an asset best protects our community from undue risk, said Binance US. We operate in a rapidly evolving industry, and our listing and delisting process are designed to be responsive to market and regulatory developments. According to Binance US, AMP is the only token of the 9 mentioned in the SEC complaint available for trading on the platform. The exchange added trading of AMP may resume at some point in the future, but did not provide a date. Other crypto exchanges and companies listing the token as well as Powerledge POWR, Chromatica KROM, DFX Finance, DFX Rally RL Y. Rally Governance Token RGT Deriva DAO DDX LCX and XYO may also face scrutiny from the SEC if the regulator chooses to pursue enforcement actions. The SEC allegation could have broad implications beyond this single case, underscoring how critical and urgent it is that regulators work together, said Caroline Palm, Commissioner for the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commissions, in response to the SEC case. At the time of publication, the price of AMP had fallen roughly 6% in the last 24 hours to reach $0.00874. According to data from CoinMarketCap, however, the RGT price surged more than 55% to reach a new all-time high of $7.83. Binance US will delist AMP.
So, thank you very much guys. Maybe just this. Before that, before I close this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See